Does that happen a lot to you?
I dig it, by the way. It's happens more than once, like. I mind I got there was somebody up with town selling like Polaroid cameras or 60 quid in Argos. I think I got it for 15 quid off them. Wee Wayne's Polaroids, eh? But they were all the rage. It was coming up for Christmas. A bargain's a bargain, innit?
Aye.
But I don't know if that's incriminating.
It's maybe just extra stock.
Maybe that's probably what it was. Right. Aye. Enjoy that as well. Unfortunately, can't eat as much as I used to, so I'll take that home for the Waynes or something. Really eat that. Oh no, we go at this panini. Like that coleslaw, lovely. No chance, you never catch me with this, man.